In today's energy markets, let's take a look at WTI crude futures today as they're realizing some further upside. They're up slightly on the session currently, trying to hold on to a gain for a sixth consecutive session if they are able to hold this level. Currently trading right around $67. Now, we did see an intraday high, I believe, of 67.53, and that's challenging basically the highest level of the last 2.5 years. And when you look at it from a July contract, that is the highest level for the July futures contract. And I think when you look at some of the factors playing into why we're realizing this upward momentum, a couple things. Analysts continue to come out here over the last several days indicating that they still see a pickup in demand evolving, not only here in the United States, which the market I think has priced in to some degree, but now we're seeing Europe coming back online. And I think as you see these analyst reports coming out indicating that they expect to even see further increases in demand, one thing that's probably holding things back a little bit is the uncertainty surrounding Iran's supply, but overall the general trends appear to indicate that demand is going to pick up here quite substantially heading into the third quarter. Also, data points coming out of Europe overnight, coming out of the United States here this morning. Both areas have stronger than expected data points, and that could be another factor contributing to this upside momentum. Now, when you look at the trends in place, as I mentioned, from a July contract, this is the highest level for the July futures contract. From a composite standpoint, basically we are at or just breaking above 2.5-year highs. You have to go back to October of 2018 to see WTI crude futures trading at these levels. And now as we're pushing above 67, I think a lot of market technicians are watching this very closely as it is now popping up and just peaking above the highs that the market has realized here for the better part of the last several years. And I also look at some of the trends in place. I think the dollar is also another contributing factor here. We are seeing it moderate a little bit the last couple of days, but generally the last month we've seen it trend lower, and I think that's another contributor why we're seeing WTI crude futures holding here at the top end of the range.